In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your work address to Apple Maps. So go ahead and go to your Apple Maps, obviously if you're on an iPhone. And what you can do here is, once you're kind of in your area here, there should be a menu at the very bottom. So just click and swipe up. And then you'll see home and work. So we can go ahead and click work. And then we can just type anything in. I'm just going to type it in Costco here. And I will choose the first one here. And then it's going to ask you, what do you want it to be? Your home, your work, your school. So I'm just going to choose my work here and then hit done. So once it's done, your library and basically some of your more recent destinations will be there. So the next time that you want to go to work, you just go ahead and click work. And then you can go ahead and start that direction and go ahead and make your way. So I hope this video helped you guys out, and we'll see you in the next one.